Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how basically you can integrate uh, OAuth Google login inside auth0 website inside React.js. So auth0 guys, basically it's a uh, platform. Basically it's securely connect you to various social media logins. You can integrate Facebook, Twitter, Google, all such logins. So this is auth0. We will integrate basically this inside our React.js application. So here let me show you the demo here. If I basically go to localhost 3000, you will basically see guys, there will be a login button and also we will have a logout button as well. So now basically if I hit this login button, so what would happen here, it will redirect you to your auth0 screen. Here you will see that this is the website auth0, and now you can select you can either log in or sign up with a new account. You can also sign up. If you click this option, you will be able to sign up as well. You can see that. Just log out, and now once again if you click, you just need to sign in. You can even sign in with your email and password. So this functionality is also there. You can sign up with a new user. Let's suppose I say adam@gmail, or I can say 123456. So here numbers are also required, so we will say, so click on sign up, and you will also be able to sign up a new user guys. You will see hi admin sample is requesting access to your, so you will put like this, and now you will see the name will be shown, the email is shown, and this is basically the logout button. You will profile picture will be automatically generated. So this is auth0 guys, makes it pretty much a lot it makes it very much easy to integrate these social logins. So all you see, the total users will also update here. Now we have if I go to my applications, you will see this application is running here, and here you can basically go to the users tab here, and you can see two users are listed here. So this is basically the user that I created right here with that username and password a few seconds ago. And this is my address here, geekygautam1997@gmail.com. This is basically the Google OAuth2 login here. So if I see here now, I can now sign up with my Google account. So click on this button. So my account will be logged in here. You will see that. So email is shown, name is shown, and the profile picture. So all this will be shown guys. It is very easy to integrate this inside any sort of application. So first of all, I will show you how to do this inside your React.js application. So I will just delete all this source code and start from scratch. So what you need to do guys, we will have this functional component guys, and here we will simply show hello world. So let me just delete all this source code and start from scratch. So guys, you will see this is basically, if I just refresh my app here, you will see hello world will be shown to you all. So now to basically integrate this OAuth functionality, social login guys, you need to first of all create a new account here, and right here you need to go to the applications tab here, and let me just delete this application. Let me delete this. You can even delete this by going to settings and then drop down and simply click on delete, and this will delete the application. So simply you just need to uh, name your application and simply click on delete. So now your application will be deleted here. So now we can basically, what we can do, we can create a new application here. Click on that, and now we have various types of applications. We have native, we have single page application, which is a front end app such as Angular, React, Vue. Then we have regular web application, machine learning application. You need to select here single page applications because we are building it for React. So it supports multiple languages, frameworks guys. It supports JavaScript, PHP, Angular, React, all that stuff. We will select here React. And then guys, the main documentation is pretty awesome. It is tremendous. It basically guides you for each and every step. You can even download a sample app as well, which will give you all the source code, but we will do it in a very simple way. So first information you need to get, guys, you need to basically paste this code here. First of all, we need to install this library npm install. So I have given all the source code, guys, in the description of the video. So you can go to the description of the live stream and you can get all the source code. So first of all, you need to install this package by going to your command line and simply executing this command npm install auth0 react. This is specifically for React.js applications. I have already installed this, so I will start my application, web React.js application. Now guys, you need to go to your index.js file. So right here it has guided you. You need to go to this file. Let me write this code. So just go to your index.js file, guys, and right inside this file we will basically import that auth provider. So we just need to import that auth provider from auth this package, and right inside this, guys, we will delete this and we will surround this in our app using this tag, which is auth provider, and then we can basically write our app inside this. So basically this takes some options, guys. This auth provider, we take the option of domain. So in your own case, guys, your domain will be different. This is the username and then followed by the domain of auth0. So your username will be different. So just copy paste your own domain name. Client ID will be generated by your own client ID. So now if you go to your, all this will be given inside settings. So this will be your own client ID. Simply copy that and paste it here. This is your domain name. You will see that. And the next information will be a basically authorization parameters, guys. This will be a object, and here we have the redirect URI. So redirect URI is nothing but the callback URI. So after the authentication, on which page the user will redirect to. If you will redirect to the home page, which is localhost 3000. This application is running on localhost 3000, guys. So that's why redirect URI will be that. That's all that you need to do, guys, inside this file. So now you can close this file. Now we will move to the app.js file. So right here, basically here we will import some values here, methods from our hook, which will be useauth hook. This library package provides this hook, guys. You will see useauth hook, and from this we will be decrypting more methods here, which will be the login button, login with redirect. This is basically the method, guys. This is basically a function, a hook. So this basically contains this function, guys, which is login with redirect. So it basically, you can either log in with redirect, and then basically we can have a simple here button. So we can simply say login, and we can basically, whenever we click this button, we can simply say execute this login with redirect. So now, guys, if you now refresh, and if you see now, basically we will have a button here. We just need to refresh our application. So we have a button, and this will generate an error, guys, because our callback URL mismatch. So we have provided that redirect URI, guys. If you see inside our index.js file, if you see right here, this URI was window.location.origin. So this was localhost 3000. So now we need to add this inside our settings page. So now you need to go to your settings, and right here we need to paste this URL. So this URL may be different if you're running on a different port number, but default port number is 3000 for React.js. So just add this right here. Also inside callback allowed callback URLs, and also logout. So just paste it three times here, and if you have deployed it to a live address, then just paste it the live address of your application. And now after that, click on Save Changes. So it is saying payload validation error, object didn't pass validation for format. Okay, let me see. HTTP localhost. I think you need to remove this slash here. Just remove this slash, guys, and now you can see now the changes will payload validation error. Initiate login URI must be HTTPS. I don't know why this error take place. So now let me just refresh it again. Let me again refresh this. Sometimes, guys, it can create some errors also, because a few moments ago it was perfectly working. I don't know, because I previously deleted that app. That's why it is not working. I don't know. Let me see here. Client ID is correct. So inside your quick start, just select that. Okay, I think this is creating this problem. Let me paste it correctly. Copy that, and right here inside your index.js. So in coding, guys, it may occur because I am doing this live here, because a few moments ago it was perfectly working, but now all of a sudden, because I don't know why it is so frustrating also, because you can see we have pasted correct domain name, correct client ID, and the problem is here because we are doing this, we are adding this settings here. If you see, when I click the save changes button, it is not doing this. So let me just delete this. Click default app, and here if I paste the, okay, I think login URI, I think I pasted right here. That's why it was creating problem. You need to paste here inside our callback URL, HTTP localhost 3000. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's why I that was a mistake. Let me now create single page. Uh, and now we need to paste this, and now just paste it here. This is your domain name, client ID. Now we simply need to uh, add this localhost 3000 inside your settings. So right here, go to your settings, guys, right here, and basically right here inside your allowed callback URL, HTTP localhost 3000, and here also HTTP localhost 3000. Just paste it three times here. allowed web origins, allowed logout URLs, and allowed callback. Don't paste here. And now click on save changes. I think it should successfully saved your changes. You will see that. So now again, if I go to this URL guys, localhost 3000, click on the login button. So you will now see guys, this window will occur here, authorize app. It is saying, hi coding Shiksha, my app is requesting access to your Geeky Gautam. And it also provide you this method also guys, if you don't want the redirect version, if you want the pop-up version, you can even do this also. We have a second method also, which is pop-up. So now instead of doing this, we will also do like this, login with pop-up. So now what will happen guys, if I go to the localhost 3000, instead of redirecting, it will automatically show in the pop-up window like this. So now like this, it's a good user interface. The user must not be redirected to any external URL. It will be inside the pop-up window. So it basically increasing the user engagement. Now user can select either it can decline or accept. Let me accept it, and nothing happens. So now right here guys, basically after doing this, the user will be receiving some information. Now we can basically detect that. So, and there is basically a property guys, which is called as is authenticated. So this basically comes from this package. So this property either returns true or false depending upon whether the user is logged in or not. And now based upon this condition guys, we will simply use this condition is authenticated. So this makes it very much easy. You can write something like this, which is authenticated. If the user is logged in, this value will return true. In that case, we will use a ternary operator guys like this. And based upon this condition, we will show if the user is logged in, then we will show a logout button. And if the user is not logged in, then in that case, we will show a login button. And just this will be a button. So we will simply show a logout button. So now guys, if I now refresh the application, now you will see automatically detected that we are logged in. That's why it is showing the logout button. And once we also have the logout function also guys pre-built using this package. You can just import this, and now we simply need to say whenever we click this button, we just need to log out the user. That's all. So now what will happen guys, just let me also embed this on click. So when we click the login button, what should happen, we will log in with pop-up. So now what will happen guys, you will see if I click logout, it will change to login here. So we are successfully logged out. Now once again, if I click login, you will see basically now we need to click on sign in with Google, and we can simply say logout. And now to display profile information guys, we have basically a user object pre-built using this package. We have this property user like this, and now right here very simply we can display the information in batch 3. The name is simply, this is basically an object which contains various properties. We can basically list out the object right here. Just print out. You can see we can't print objects here, so we can say username. So it contains all these properties: nickname, given name, family name, middle name, all this one. So this will print out name, and if you want to get the email, we can simply say user email, and then we can simply print out the profile picture of the user. We can say user dot picture. I mean, you can close the tag like this. So basically in this way guys, you can display all the user information, and this makes it very much easy. So that's why I like this auth0 package. So you can see name is coding Shiksha, email, you can click on logout. So if you're just building out a very simple application guys, if you don't want to waste time inside implementing the OAuth2 functionality, because it basically requires a lot of code for implementing the social authentication. If you're doing it from scratch, if you don't want to do it from scratch, you can use this library. It is not completely free, but if you are building it very simple application, just wanted to implement OAuth2, So this basically solves a lot of problem. It has a pre-built functionality for all that stuff that I showed you. And the main thing, guys, if you go to this dashboard, we have a concept called as connections. So it supports various OAuth functionalities. We also have Facebook as well. And if you now go to authentication, click on social, you will basically see it will have a lot of networks. Click on create connection and you will see Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, LinkedIn, GitHub, PayPal, Bitbucket, Dropbox, PayPal, Twitter, Line, all the popular social media websites, guys. It has a pre-built login available for you. So if you want to implement it inside your application, you don't need to build it from scratch. So it can build it authentication for you. So it's a great library, guys, great website. Definitely check out. All the source code is given in the description of the video. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream.